some of the challenges that you think are unique to rural communities that may not be as much of an issue in urban areas?
There's an overwhelming number of overdoses from opioids that happen in rural America. It's actually 45% higher in smaller towns than it is in urban areas. The unique challenges that we have in smaller towns is that we're not as close to hospitals. There are not as many clinics as there are in bigger towns. We now have, as a result of this legislation that I wrote and now has been adopted, there will be $5 million that will be set aside to help tackle this epidemic that we are seeing throughout the country. The President recognizes that this is a problem. You can't be in any elected office these days and not understand that this is a national epidemic. Where we differ is to make sure that we have the proper funding associated with the needs, not just in rural America, but in urban America as well.
Providing free Narcan to schools, or even creating a nationwide database to keep track of patients who want opioid prescriptions. That was something that has been established in Illinois now, but it's not necessarily there at the federal level. Would you support those kinds of measures?
Absolutely. I mean, the idea of knowing if there are so-called frequent flyers who are going prescription drug shopping, yeah, we need to know that. That's one way to address a problem. But, you know, just like any major problem that has taken hold, you've got to approach it from many, many different angles. On your network, on 60 Minutes, there was a great expose about a small rural town that was dispensing opioids as if they were Tic Tacs. That is one way to recognize that there's a problem here. Who's prescribing this drug at this level? Why is this pharmacy dispensing opioids at this level in a town of, you know, a few thousand people?